Good morning from a very wet Troutdale, Oregon. We had an okay night in our Holiday Inn. There was nothing to write home about. We had Popeyes for dinner.
Which was terrible.
I thought it was okay. But yeah, we got up this morning, had our free breakfast, which was also not great.
Terrible.
And now we've just stopped at Starbucks to get our coffees. And we are now heading out about an hour and a half to Tillamook.
Yep.
And at 1 o'clock we're going to the Tillamook Factory tour. We're very excited
free cheese and free ice cream samples.
So we're probably going to get there a little early, maybe grab some light lunch somewhere. Got to save room for those samples.
Yes.
And then
It's
after
like going to Costco.
After we've done the tour, we're going to head up to Seaside.
And ice cream.
2.5 hours later, and we're back in the car after the tour. So the ice cream tour was actually more of like an educational class. You just stayed in the one room and you got to do some like taste testing and stuff like that, and then they gave you like a full half pint of ice cream and they cut it and let you look at it and you eat it, and you could eat as much as you want.
It was pretty cool.
So that was pretty worth it. They only do it on the weekend, so it's $20. If you come on the weekend, I highly recommend it. You can just walk around the factory,
the dairy factory, the cheese factory part,
for free, and you can just like look down on the factory floor. On the weekends they don't do anything, so maybe.
Well, they were doing some stuff on the one side, but not much.
But if you want to see it in full operation, make sure you come on a weekday.
And that's free.
Yeah. And then we also had a little bit of lunch in there. We had a grilled cheese with some deep fried
cheese
battered
curds.
cheese curds
oh my
on
God,
the side.
They were so good.
They were delicious. And then we bought some stuff at the stores. We got some cheeses. I got some cider. We got some dog treats.
Fresh cheese curds.
Fresh cheese curds. So we're gonna
Loki would like another treat.
We're gonna be cheesed out for the week.
Samples on the way out the door. We got some more extra sharp white cheddar, which is my favorite.
So we're gonna be having some cheese and crackers tonight.
Oh, Loki.
And then we also got some ice cream on the way out as well. So we're very full.
Because we're fat kids.
But we have an hour to go until we get to our hotel in Seaside. So we have some time to digest all of that before we get to our hotel. There is currently a wind advisory warning popping up when I put in directions to Seaside, so we will see how this goes.